Keep this in your pocket and don't tell anyone. December 1st Power Ritual. The dawn of December marks a new beginning, a time to reset your energy, attract abundance, and set the tone for a prosperous month ahead. On December 1st, the universe's energy is ripe for transformation, and I'm here to share a secret ritual that's as ancient as it is powerful. All you need is a small, intentional object kept in your pocket and a heart full of belief. Let's explore how this simple yet profound practice can unlock a new chapter of success, prosperity, and peace. The energy of December 1st. December 1st isn't just another day, it's a spiritual gateway, a moment to connect with the energies of renewal and abundance. The fresh start of a new month provides the perfect opportunity to align your intentions with the flow of the universe. Carrying a sacred charm in your pocket acts as a beacon for positive energy, shielding you from negativity while drawing success and wealth into your life. But here's the catch. Silence is key. The energy you cultivate through this ritual thrives in secrecy. Let's dive into the steps and uncover the transformative power this simple act holds. Part 1. What to carry in your pocket. The charm you'll carry is more than a collection of objects. It's an energetic tool infused with your intentions. Here's what you'll need. 1. A cinnamon stick, the magnet for wealth. Cinnamon has been revered for centuries as a symbol of prosperity and abundance. Its sweet, spicy energy acts as a magnet for financial blessings and success. How to use it. Take a small cinnamon stick and hold it in your hands. Close your eyes and imagine the wealth and opportunities you desire flowing into your life. Speak a silent intention such as, "This cinnamon draws success and abundance to me." 2. A small clear quartz crystal. The amplifier. Clear quartz is known as the master healer in crystal traditions. It amplifies your intentions and harmonizes your energy field. How to use it. Choose a small, clear quartz crystal and place it in your pocket alongside the cinnamon. Its energy will magnify the ritual's effects, ensuring your intentions resonate strongly with the universe. 3. A written affirmation. Your personal touch. Write down a single, powerful affirmation on a small piece of paper. For example, "I am a magnet for prosperity and peace. Abundance flows effortlessly into my life." How to use it. Fold the paper and place it in your pocket. This written intention serves as a constant reminder of your goals and focuses your energy throughout the day. Part 2. Activating the charm. To truly harness the power of this ritual, you must activate the charm with your personal energy. 1. Find a quiet moment. Before placing the charm in your pocket, take a moment to center yourself. Sit in a calm, distraction-free space. 2. Visualize your desires. Hold the items in your hands and visualize your goals. See yourself thriving in abundance, achieving success, and radiating peace. 3. Speak your intention. Whisper or think the following. "With these sacred tools, I align myself with the flow of the universe. I release negativity, attract abundance, and welcome blessings into my life." 4. Place the charm in your pocket. Carefully place the items in your pocket, ensuring they remain with you throughout the day. Your pocket acts as a physical and energetic connection to your intentions. Part 3. Why secrecy is essential in spiritual practices. Keeping your intentions private is a powerful way to preserve their energy. Sharing your ritual with others, even with the best intentions, can weaken the connection between you and the universe. Secrecy strengthens the ritual's potency, creating a clear, unbroken link between your energy and your goals. Remember, this is your personal practice, a sacred dialogue between you and the forces of abundance. Part 4. Signs of the ritual's success. As you carry the charm, stay mindful of the changes around you. Do you notice unexpected opportunities or financial breakthroughs? Has your energy shifted, making you feel calmer, more focused, or more optimistic? Are you attracting positive interactions and outcomes effortlessly? These are signs that the ritual is working. Trust in the process and remain patient as the universe aligns with your intentions. Part 5. When to remove the charm. Carry the charm for 3 days, December 1st to December 3rd. During this time, let its energy work continuously. At night, place it under your pillow to enhance its effects while you rest. After 3 days, thank the charm for its service and dispose of it respectfully. Bury the cinnamon and paper in the earth, and cleanse the crystal with water or moonlight for future use. This act symbolizes gratitude and the release of your intentions to the universe. As the first day of December sets the tone for the month, take a moment to honor the energy within and around you. With this simple ritual, you can align with abundance, protect your spirit, and set yourself on a path of success and prosperity. Trust in the process. Hold your intentions with quiet confidence and let the universe work its magic. This is your moment to shine.